Hello, I'm back basically for another 3D Studio Max tutorial. So today I'm going to be working on the actual car hood. The actual car hood. So what I'm going to basically start is I'm going to start basically doing the side of the car and getting that done. So now I'm just going to go in here, go isolate selection, and now I'm just going to go into here, edge swipe, edge loop, I think, like that. And I'm just gonna go into here. And now I'm just gonna go into here and add that right there. And I'm just going to go into here, edge loop right there. Like that. Like that pretty much. And I'm just going to go cut right here. Like that. Like that pretty much. Like that. And we have that now set in place. Go, move, select move, and we're going to select the Swift loop. Sorry about the feedback right there. Select that. Like that. Actually, I'm going to turn that off. And I'm just going to go in here. Sorry about that. Made a mistake right there. So we just select that right there. And I'm just going to go into here. Like that. And that's selected right there. And I'm just going to go Swift loop right about there. Like that. And I'm going to select this swift loop right here. Sorry about the static. I didn't really basically got the headphone set properly, so I'm very sorry about it if that happened. Let me put on some music. So we have that right there. So that's basically what we have right there for the tutorial. And I'm just going to go out of here and select that. Go end isolation. Actually, I'm going to go into here and I'm going to select Turbo Smooth right here. So I'm going to select Turbo Smooth. Like that. Let me see if that's right. Let me get some of the images of this. So we want to get this just about right. So that's just left like the way it is, just completely smooth like that. Kind of like that. And now we're just going to go end isolation. And I'm just going to go into here. And I'm just going to go just create swift loop right there. And just create a swift loop right here. And I'm just going to go turbo smooth like that. And I'm just going to go out of here, swift loop, like that. Actually, I'm going to add a swift loop right here. Like that. And let me try to see that. So that's like connected like that. And I'm just going to go cut right here. Like that. Like this. Like that. Like that, pretty much. And I'm just gonna select this. Gonna go cut right here. Like that. Gonna select this, I think. And I'm just gonna go edge constraint right here. Move that like that, pretty much. Like that, pretty much. And now I'm just gonna go into here and just go turbo smooth like that. And that's all set in place. Like that. So that's set in place right about there. And maybe I'm just going to go into here and kind of add edge swipe right here. Like that. To give that edge a little bit. Give that a little bit of a crisper edge right there. So now I'm just going to go into here. Still going on. And now I'm just going to go into this entire hood right here. And I'm just going to select this entire one side right here. Like that. Select that entire side right there. Go into here. Select that right there. Like that. Select that right there, I think. Select this right here. Select that. Select that entire edge right there. Actually, I'm just gonna go into here and I'm just gonna go cut right here and select this right here and select that, like that, like that pretty much. And select that knife right there. And I'm going to do the exact same thing for this right here. Select that entire edge right there. Like that. Like that. And I'm just gonna go into here, select this, like that. Like that. So we're gonna select that right there, and that's like side right there. So we're just going to go into here and we're going to select this entire thing right here. We're just going to go delete right there. And now we're going to select this entire thing right here. Right here, attach, go isolate, get away from me. I don't know, I'm just gonna say this, and I'm gonna select this entire vertex right here, and we're gonna select here 0.1 like that, and we're going to weld all those together, and we have that all selected. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into here and we're going to hit turbo smooth and bring that up to 2 right there. And now I'm just going to go into here and just gonna go swift loop right here. Go out of here, swift loop. like that. And I'm just gonna go out of that swift loop right there. And I'm just gonna go out of here, and that's the main thing that's gonna be selected right there. So I'm gonna go out of this isolate selection like that. So we have that all done. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be going into this selection right here. And now we're gonna be going isolate selection. And now we're gonna be working on this side. But first I'm going to go into here, I'm going to select all of this, delete that, and I'm going to hit mirror, y-axis, copy, and I'm just going to go into here, mirror copy. And I'm just going to go in here. And I'm just going to hit attach right here, right there. So now I'm just going to go into here and go swift loop right here. Just going to go swift loop. Swift loop right here. Right there. Right here. This is pretty hard. The bumper is going to be the most hardest part. Bumper is a hard part to do in this. Gonna go in here, a knife. Knife. Like that. Knife. like that. Target weld, and I'm just going to select a target right here, vertices, target weld, this is going to be a little bit longer than usual because I'm trying to finish up the body of this. So now I'm just going to go into here and I'm going to go cut. Like that. Like that. And I'm just going to end that right about there. So it ends right about there. And this one is going to end. Cut right here. Go cut right here. Cut again. And I'm just going to go into here and just keep cutting. Like that. Like that. And just go right click. Once you're done to cut, you hit like the right mouse button to cancel. And then we have there. So we go into cut and this is what we're going to do right here. And then we have this entire thing right here, ready to be used. And I'm just going to go into here and just go cut right here. Like that. And we just cut into here like that. And now I'm just going to go cut like that, like that, and then this is cut in a way like that pretty much. And then I'm just going to go cut right here. Like that, and we cut that like that. And I'm just going to go swift loop like that. So now I'm just going to go into here, select element, go select this entire thing, and go into here, and we're going to go into edit, and we're going to select selected, or like CTRI. We're going to go hide selected, and this is what we're working on. We're working on the bottom of this. So I'm just going to go into here, just delete these faces because we don't need this. Delete that. Delete that right there. I'm just going to delete that. And we're just going to dolly around, and now I'm just going to select like that. Select that right there. So that's now selected. So now we have to work on the bottom piece right here. Like that. So let me try to see something right here. So we have to do this ledge right about there. So that's just left the way it is. So now I just have to go in and cut. So now let's see how this looks. So now I'm just going to go into here, take off mirror, and I'm just going to go into here and turn on turbo smooth like that. And I'm just going to go into here and just go straight into here. Go turbo smooth right here. And now I'm just going to go into here, go loop. And I'm just going to go turbo smooth again, like that. And I'm just going to go target, go into vertex and go target weld. And I'm just going to weld these together like that. Like that. Like that. Actually, I'm going to select this right there. And I'm just going to hit weld right there. Weld. And I'm just going to go target weld right there. Like that. And select these right here. Target weld. Like that. Like that pretty much. So now I'm just going to select this right here, go weld this weld this right here. Like that. Like that right there. Still don't like how the way this is. So I'm just gonna delete this. Remove. Delete. 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 And I'm just gonna go into here and select here. Couple, let's see how that looks. Just gonna get rid of this music right here. So that looks a little bit better, I guess. So we just keep it like that pretty much. Can't really do anything about that. It's not going to be 100% perfect. So that looks good. Maybe I can somewhat get rid of, so I'm just going to go into here. Maybe I can somewhat do something about this. Like that. Like that. And maybe I can do this right here. And I'm just going to go weld right here. I'm just going to go swift loop right here. But first of all, I'm just going to go target weld and just weld these together like that. So I may have made a mistake with this. Right here. And I'm just going to select this right here. Select this right here, and we're going to select that right about here. And we're going to select this, and we're going to go target weld to these vertices. I'm going to actually redo this and fix this up again. So it's going to be a little bit above 30 minutes, but that's okay. Let me actually pause that.